Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Strength Wars! It's an honor to be...
Strength Wars, the ultimate test of athleticism and power. Strength Wars is a groundbreaking web series that has captivated audiences worldwide with its adrenaline-fueled battles of strength, showcasing athletes from different disciplines pushing their limits in epic challenges. Today, I'm going to delve into the world of Strength Wars for those of you that have not heard of it. Currently, it is basically defunct, but I think it's something anyone, no matter what walk of weightlifting, powerlifting, athletics you come from, should look into this channel. Today I'm going to explore its concept, challenges, competitors and contestants, and thrilling moments that make it a must-watch series for any fitness enthusiast out there. So let's start off with the concept. Strength Wars brings together athletes from diverse backgrounds such as powerlifting, bodybuilding, calisthenics, CrossFit, kickboxing, and more, pitting them against each other in a series of intense physical challenges. The aim is to determine who possesses the most well-rounded strength, agility, and overall mental fortitude. The concept combines the excitement of competition with the opportunity to witness incredible strengths, disciplines, athleticism, and overall badassery. So let's get to the challenge. Each episode of Strength Wars presents a unique set of grueling challenges that test the competitor's physical capabilities and mental resilience. These challenges cover a wide range of exercises, including deadlifts, squats, pull-ups, push-ups, strongman competitions, sled pulling, and much more. The variety ensures that athletes must demonstrate their proficiency across different strength disciplines, which will showcase their versatility and adaptability to new challenges. So let's get into the competitors. Strength Wars attracts a roster of notable athletes from around the world, but mainly in Europe, with some being in the United States, each bringing their own strengths and expertise to the battle. From renowned powerlifters and bodybuilders to calisthenic experts and CrossFit enthusiasts, the competitors embody the pinnacle of physical fitness in their respective disciplines. Their dedication, training, and regimen and remarkable skills make for awe-inspiring showdowns. The battles in Strength Wars are intense and highly competitive. First, they started off with just doing battles for the sake of battles, and then they also added in a tournament which almost took half a year to complete. The tournament started off with the competitors gaining points to get their seeding for the playoffs, almost like March Madness in basketball. The knockout style format adds an element of suspense and anticipation as athletes face off against each other with only one advancing to the next round. The battles not only test raw strength, but also require strategic decision-making, endurance, and mental toughness. You'll notice some competitors try to go balls to the wall every time they touch the weight, and some of them leave a lot of reps in reserve so they don't blow their wad and ruin their outcome in the challenge. As the rounds progress, the intensity amplifies, resulting in nail-biting encounters that keep viewers on the edge of their seats. In the description, I will post some of my favorite battles that I've ever watched throughout all of Strength Wars, and it will guarantee get you hooked. Strength Wars delivers more than just physical feats. It also presents captivating moments of drama and rivalries. Think of weightlifting meets WWE. Before each battle, the competitors display their competitive spirits between the athletes, and this can lead to intense emotional exchanges and showcasing the athlete's burning desire to win.
I'm stronger. This, I'm stronger.
I lost my last battle. My opponent was strong, but not stronger than me.
These moments of conflict and tension heighten the excitement of the series, adding a human element to the battles. One of the most intriguing aspects of Strength Wars is the opportunity to gain insight into each individual athlete's training routines and preparation. Through interviews and behind-the-scenes footage, viewers can catch a glimpse of the dedication, discipline, and hard work required to compete at such a high level known as Strength Wars. This aspect of the series offers valuable inspiration and knowledge for fitness enthusiasts looking to enhance their own training. Many battles have epic conclusions and come from behind victories. Each episode of Strength Wars culminates in an epic finale where the last two competitors battle it out for the title of Strength Wars. Each episode of Strength Wars culminates in an exciting finale to see which competitor can finish the events first. These battles are epic showdowns that push the athletes to their limits, and the celebrations that follow and the victor's triumphs are unforgettable. Witnessing the joy and satisfaction of the champion serves as a testament to their incredible journey and challenges they overcame. Whether you're a fan of powerlifting, bodybuilding, calisthenics, or simply appreciate the pursuit of physical excellence, Strength Wars is a must-watch series that will leave you inspired and in awe. In 2020, Strength Wars released a documentary featuring mainly athletes from the United States, such as Larry Wheels, Blaine Sumner, Teron Beckham, and many more. And they also featured athletes from the original Strength Wars, such as the Anabolic Horse and Leonidas Arcona. The production value of Strength Wars is top-notch, with high-quality video production, impressive editing, and engaging commentary. Now that's one thing I must draw attention to. The host, Tetzel.
The honor of this countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Without him, these videos would not be as interesting as they are. The level of intensity and energy that he brings to each battle, it makes the viewers feel like they are right in the midst of the action. Strength Wars, in my opinion, has undoubtedly made a significant impact on the fitness community and beyond. Its combination of thrilling competition, incredible physical performance, and compelling narratives has earned it a dedicated fan base. I still to this day see comments on some of my favorite battles of people asking for more Strength Wars videos, which sadly is most likely never going to happen. In conclusion, Strength Wars kind of reminded me of the early UFC days, where you strip all the rules and just see whose discipline has prepared them best for just a knuckle-down, all-out brawl. This time, it's with weights. So it's an exceptional YouTube web series that showcases the ultimate test of athleticism and power, with its concept challenges, notable competitors, gripping battles, emotional moments, and valuable training insights. It was once a cornerstone of the fitness entertainment landscape. So whether you are a fitness enthusiast or simply appreciate the pursuit of human physical excellence, Strength Wars is a must-watch series that will leave you inspired, motivated, and hungry for more.